I told you that for number one, we have another method to calculate them as well. So I would like to show you another method นะคะ Grace ค่ะ Can we recap? Can you read question again, please?
There were 3.5 of bags of flour in the kitchen. 4.5 bags of flour were delivered. How many bags of flour are there total?
Okay, last lesson, I taught you the short one, like we see 3, 1 over 2, we see mixed number, yeah? So we sum whole number together, so it's 3 plus 4, and then we sum the fraction, which is equal 1. Now I'm going to teach you another method. Can you go to next place, and then write out with me? Yes, recap, write out with me, please. Okay, just write out, okay, we still in adding fraction, word problem, adding and subtract. Adding and subtract. Think word problem, okay? Alright. Now we're going to continue from here. Grace, are you with me? Let's go, Now we're going to do another method. I show you method too. Okay. We have 3.5 plus 4.5 ใช่ไหมคะ This method we're going to call like a chain mixed number to fraction first. Okay, are you with me? Can we go next? Solution. Chain ค่ะ 3 and 1 over 2 is equal again. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So it's equal 7 over 2. Does it make sense? And then u plus 4 times 2 is 8. X plus 1 is 9. So it's 9 over 2. Okay. Which is equal. I know that is 7 plus 9. What is 7 plus 9?
16.
Yeah, so it's equal 16 over 2. Yes. 16 divided by 2. We know it's exactly like 2 divided by 2 is 1. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay. Are you with me? I'm going to show you again how to cut the number. 16 over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So your answer is 8. Same thing, yeah? Same answer. I would like to continue here, solve the question with you, Grace, let's read question, question number 2, Can you read question, please?
9 cartons of milk was delivered to the kitchen, but an assistant spilled 2 and 5/8 cartons of milk, together with the 4 and 1/8 cartons of milk that were in the fridge. How many cartons of milk are there in total?
Okay. 9 cartons of milk were delivered. 9 cartons of milk. But you spilled, assistant spilled. Spill means like you lost it. ใช่ไหมคะ So you minus or you subtract 2 and 5 over 8. Together with the 4 and 1 over 8 cartons of milk that were in the fridge. How many of them? They want to know that how many of them are there together, but they still have 4 and 1 over 8. This one plus or minus, Yeah, look at your homework. It's plus or minus. 4 and 1 out of 8. Plus, yeah. Grace, does that make sense? Actually, I think the question a little bit unclear, but anyway, you have done correctly. Go step by step. Okay, let's solve them. 9 still 9 here. Easy. Grace, can you simplify? Can you change mixed number to improper fraction for me, please? 8 times 2. What is 8 times 2?
16.
Yeah, this one is our workout. 16 and 16 plus 5. What is it?
21.
21. So now I have 21 over 8. Oh, one thing about 9. I know that the denomination is 8. Yeah? For 9, we times 8 over 8. Do you remember that how to change whole number to improper fraction? Grace, do you remember how to change whole number to improper fraction? Yeah, we need to time. We would like to have denomination 8, so we need to time it with 8 over 8. Now the question is a little bit difficult. Why? Why we time with 8 over 8? Why don't we time it with 3 over 3? Why? Because we would like to have the denominator is 8, yeah? In here we found that denominator equal 8. Girls, how good question, huh? Me question me? Can we go next? We plus. ไม่ค่ะ 8 times 4 is 32, and then 32 plus 1 equals 33. So now we have 33 over 8. Are you with me, huh? Grace, can I see your notebook, please? Did you write them? Okay. And show me หน่อยค่ะ Good. ดีมาก Very good. Very good. Good X. Okay. Alright. So now it's equal. Grace ค่ะ 9 times 8. What is 9 times 8? 9 multiplied by 8. Okay, 9 multiplied by 8. What is it?
72.
Yes, very good. 72. Now we write out 72 out of 8. We plus, we write here plus and plus. 21. Oops, 21 out of 8. And 33 out of 8. Now it's equal. I know that all the denominator is the same. It's equal 8. Yep. And then we have 72. 72 plus 21 plus 33. What is it? Okay, let you work out here. To move. Let's do our workout together, ค่ะน้องเกรซ 72 plus 21. Okay, 3, 9. 93. 93 plus 33. 6, 12. Oh, is that we going to have? Are we going to have 126 divided by 8 ค่ะ Grace, do you think that can we cut the number? Everything is end up like an even number. I think we can cut the number, yeah. Which number that we can cut? How about are we done correct or not? I think we have that. Oh, I'm sorry, girls. I did this one wrong. It's subtract. Guys, I'm sorry, girls. We need to. I did this one wrong. We need to be subtract. Huh? Oh, I need to delete them. Okay, subtract. Sorry about that. It's subtract. Okay. Let me delete this one first. No, guys, I have done wrong. Can you say that it's subtract? It's not plus. Why don't you tell me? Or you didn't know as well? Because if you see that I write something wrong, could you please tell me? Yeah? Or you didn't notice as well?
I thought I got the answer wrong because I did 84 out of 8 and I was like, what?
Okay, let's do this one together again, huh? I wrote them. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, let's do this one together again. Okay. Now we in this. Okay. I'm sorry, nah. Can you write down again with me? Yes or no? Okay.
Okay.
We just change. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do it just at the beginning. Yep. Okay, but we do it together super quick. Are you ready? Okay. From here, we know that the denominator is 8. So we're going to make all of them have denominator 8 and simplify them, make it turn to be improper fraction. Okay, let's go, huh? Now we have 9. Okay, I'll write down 9 here, 9. 9, and I would like to have that 9 have denominator 8. What I'm going to do is multiply them with 8 over 8. Okay, I put this bracket here. And then subtract. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So it's 21 over 8. And then I plus. Yep. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 1 is 33 over 8. Okay, let's go next one, huh? 9 times 8 is 72. Now I have 72 over 8. Subtract, yes, minus 21. 21 over 8. And then I plus 33 out of 8. With equal all of them are divided by 8. Grace, now can you help me please? 72 minus 21 plus 33. Let's do our work out here together, huh? 72 plus 21. Grace has 3, 93. Oh, no, not plus. minus, sorry, subtract. What happened if we have done this one wrong? Okay. 72 minus 21. 1. 51. And then 51 plus 33. 4, 8. 84. So now we have 84 over 8. Again, do you remember how to cut the number that I teach you? Which number that we should cut, huh? Cut them or divided them. Can you see that we can divide them with 4? 8 divided by 4 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So it's equals 21 over 2. Now you change them to mixed number again. 2 divided by 1 is 10 over 2. Or if you don't know about this one, you can do workout here. 21 divided by 2, 1, 0. 20 minus is 1. So it is 10, remainder is 1, and denominator is 2. And this one is your answer. Does that make sense? Write out solution. Okay,น้อง Grace, can you read the question together? Okay, let's go. Read question number 3
There were 5 3/4 crates of eggs, but 1/4 of the crate of eggs were broken.
Okay, hold on, Grace, hold on from here. But 1 out of 4 of a crate of eggs was broken. That means they subtract or plus?
Subtract.
Okay, very good.
The assistant then checked the rest of the eggs and found that 2 1/4 crates of the eggs were rotten.
Okay, question, hold on. Were rotten. Subtract or
Minus.
plus? Okay, minus, very good. Go next, Read next one. How many? So the one you find out, can you read the last one, please?
How many crates of good eggs were left?
Okay, very good. What we're going to do now, we're going to analyze their question and change from word problem, turn to be the equation, or turn to be the symbol here. Okay, now you know that 5, 3 out of 4. 1 over 4 was broken, so it's subtract, minus 1 over 4, and 2 and 1 out of 4 were rotten. That means you subtract again, you subtract 2, 1 over 4. Okay, let's solve them together. Great. Here is our workout. The one in this side. Okay. Guys, help me. 4 times 5, 20. Yeah. 20 plus 3. Grace, what is it? Okay, look, Grace. 5, 3 out of 4. 4 times 5, 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. So it's 23 out of 4. Does that make sense, And then you minus 1 out of 4. And then after that, you minus 4 times 2 is 8. X plus 1 is 9. 9 over 4. So all of them, I know that the denominator is the same. It is 4. But we have 23. Subtract 1. Subtract 9. What is 23? 23 subtract 1 is 22. 22 subtract 9. What is this, Is that 13, This one is our workout. Now we have 13 out of 4. Do I have Grace? 13 out of 4 is equal. Okay, now I can calculate them in my mind. I know that 4 times 3 is 12. So is this like 13 divided by 4 is 3. And then have remainder 1. All of them power 4. Okay, it does make sense? Or if you don't know about this one, you can divide them. 13 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtract, then you have remainder 1. This one is your quotient. This one is remainder. 3, 1 out of 3 ค่ะ and this one is your answer. Or if you would like to write down properly, that means there are 3, 1 out of 4 crates of egg were left ค่ะ done ค่ะ Okay, can you read the question please? Oh, what they want you to do. Okay, let's see. From here, you move one match to make the house face east that way, not west. I think you know how to do it. Which one are you going to move? Now you can see that the house face on the west, but you want to change it and make it face on east ค่ะ It's quite easy, this one. How can you do it?
I think you move this one
Yes.
over.
Yes, that's correct. Very good. Yeah, that's it. Let's do number 4 together. Okay, guys, let's go. Can you read the question, please?
There is 9/10 of a kilogram of ground beef and 7/10 of a kilogram of ground pork in the freezer, and an assistant is defrosting 2 3/10 kilogram of ground beef. How much ground beef is there in total?
Oh, this one a little bit tricky. We need to read again carefully. That is 9 out of 10 of 8 kilograms of ground beef and 7 out of 10 of kilogram of ground pork. Okay, that's one is pork, this one beef. Now. And assistant is defrosting 2 and 3 out of 10 kilograms of ground beef. How much ground beef underline ค่ะ They want you to find out ground beef, so pork not relate. Is that in total? So that means we forgot on beef only. Okay, let's do solution together. Beef only นะคะ We have 9 out of 10. And then we plus defrosting more. So that means we plus 2 and 3 out of 10. We use only these two numbers to figure 2 and 3 out of 10. Does that make sense? Why we don't use 7 out of 10? Because read the question again. They want you to find out about ground beef. Yeah, not pork. So we use only beef here. This one is beef, this one is beef. Does that make sense, Let's go next, So it's equals. Again, on the right side is our workout. If we need it, but maybe we don't need. 9 out of 10 is still 9 out of 10. And then we plus 10 times 2 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 out of 10. Which is equals. Grace, yeah, obviously I know the denominator is 10. Oof. What is 9 plus 23. 23 plus 9 equal to that's 32 ค่ะ Is that equal 32 out of 10? Anyway, again from here I can see that 32 out of 10 I could make it like a smaller number. It could divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 32 divided by 2 is 16. So that means it's equal 16 out of 5, which is equals okay, I know that 16 divided by 5 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And then we have remainder 1. So it's 1 out of 5. Huh? This one is our answer. So what does it mean? It means there are 3 and 1 out of 5 kilograms of ground beef. Guys, that makes sense, huh? I don't have enough space, so what I do, I'm going to move this one a little bit up. So that means the total of ground beef is, okay, can you write down with me? The total ground beef is 1 out of 5 kilograms. And this one is your answer.
There are 2 identical fridges for desserts. One of the fridges has 5/8 of its room left, and the other fridge is only 1/8 full. How much room is left?
This one is tricky. This one is tricky because, okay, you need to read question twice, They want you to find how much room left. Okay, from here, it's a little bit tricky because you can see that they have 2 identical fridge. One of fridge has, okay, 5/8 room left. We would like to find the room left. But another fish have, okay, 1/8 full. Let me write down here for you, If you see this word, 1/8 full. Okay, this one is your fish now. Your fish. นี่ใช่ไหมคะ Okay. 1/8 full. What does it mean? Okay, let me show you something. For example, this one is your fish. And then we divided them to 8 portions. Grace, will you write down with me? 8 portion. When they said that 1/8 full, okay, for example, they fill something in here is full. You need to understand straight away that 1/8 full is mean 7 out of 8 have space, yeah? Room left. This one is for the fridge number 2 นะคะ fridge number 2 okay So now from here it's easy for us because we know that one of the fridge has 5 out of 8 room left. Another one has 7 out of 8 room left. So what is going to be is like this. Okay, Grace, let you finish draw and write down everything and let you after you finish them, let me know how we're going to the next step. Okay, so done. Yes. Finish แล้วเหรอคะ
Yep.
Okay, see this one ค่ะ Take a deep breath. We would like to find how much room is left ใช่ไหมคะ We would like to find room left. What does it mean room left? Grace, it means the space, yeah, space that left in the fridge. They say that the first one have 5 out of 8 left. The second one has 7 out of 8. So you sum them ค่ะ easy from now. So that means it's equal 5 plus 7 out of 8, which is equals 12 out of 8. And then I would like to cut a number. I know that I can divide them by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, are you okay,คะ? Are you with me in this step? Are you confused?
Yeah.
Okay, let me cut from here for you. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So now we have, okay, I don't have enough space, so I'm going to write down from here. So now I have 3 out of 2. 3 out of 2, which is equal 1.5. So that means there is an equivalent of 1.5 rooms left. Or you could say that 1.5 room left ค่ะ And here is your answer. 1, let's go.
The chef was supposed to arrive at the restaurant 2 and 5/12 hours before the restaurant opened. However, he was 1 and 1/12 hour late. How many hours did the chef have to prepare before the restaurant opens?
Okay, how many hours did the chef, okay, underline here, how many hours did the chef have to prepare before the restaurant open? What I'm going to do นะคะ I'm going to make it like a timeline here for you. Okay, here is when it's open. It needs to open here. Normally นะคะ the chef need to be at the restaurant 2 hours. This one is ค่ะละกัน 2 hours and 5 over 12. But he was 1.5 hours late. So it's in here. This space one is, okay, the one from here is 2 and 5 out of 12. But here he is late. He is late like this ค่ะ this time that he late is 1 and 1 over 12. So what time that he able to prepare is around just here, yeah? So what that is mean? It means that he has time to prepare less. The time that he has to, the hours or time to prepare is equals equal 2 5 over 12 subtract 1 and 1 over 12 ค่ะ Does that make sense คะ We're going to work through this one from here on Friday when you see me again okay Okay ไหมคะ
I'm not done
Grace
writing yet.
Sorry เหรอ
I'm not done writing.
Oh okay Maybe I should write down like this to you. It might be easier to understand. This one, all of this one is 2 and 5 out of 12. This one is our timeline.
Okay.
Okay.
Done.
Again นะคะ Grace from here if we write down super quick you solve this one 12 times 2 is 24 plus 5 is 29 out of 12 minus 13 out of 12 which is equals Grace, can you write out again super quick? It's equals, I'm going to help you very quick, 29 minus 13, 16 out of 12. Which equals 16 out of 12. I'm going to cut them by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So it's equal 4 over 3. 4 over 3 equal 1 and 1 over 3. Huh? And this one is your answer. So that means he has only 1 and 1 out of 3 hours to prepare. We finish our lesson today นะคะ I hope you have a great fun time โอเคค่ะทุกคนสวัสดีค่ะก่อนแล้วสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ
See